Welcome back to the physics class, and we will see what happens when electricity and magnetism get together. We shall see an experiment where you will find that the electric lines in a circuit can have magnetic field around them. We shall see this through an experiment. Let's see an experiment as shown on the screen. We have a cell, a switch. Then we have a cardboard with a hole in the center and few iron filings placed on the cardboard. Through the center of the cardboard, the circuit wire is passing, and when the switch is set on, we find that the iron filings they arrange themselves in a circular fashion. And because of this, we understand that there is a magnetic field around the current carrying conductor, because of which the iron filings are arranging themselves in a particular fashion. Now, these iron filings, they also change their direction, seem to change their direction when the cells are placed in the opposite way as it was now. And these circle or the concentric circles that we find of the iron filings on the cardboard shows the magnetic field lines around the current carrying conductor, and these magnetic field lines they have a particular direction. To know the particular direction, we have to understand that we place the current carrying conductor, the direction of current flowing through the current carrying conductor, and use a thumb rule to find the direction of the magnetic field lines. As you can see in the picture, if the cell is connected in two different ways, the magnetic field lines are moving in the opposite direction. As you can see on the screen, instead of magnetic field lines, they are making use of compass needle, and this compass needle shows the direction of the magnetic field lines. And so this magnetic field lines are clockwise in one and anti-clockwise in the other one. Now, how do we know in which direction is the compass needle? For that, we have to use a thumb rule. And for that, we consider the current carrying conductor being placed in the right hand such that the thumb is indicating the direction of flow of current. Let us consider the current carrying conductor held in our right hand in such a way that the thumb shows the direction of current. Then, according to the right hand thumb rule, if we hold a current carrying conductor in our right hand, the fingers that wrap around shows the direction of magnetic field lines. That means if the current is moving in upward direction, we say that the magnetic field lines are in the anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, if the current is moving in the downward direction, we say that the current is moving in the clockwise direction. So, using this thumb rule, we can know the direction of the magnetic field line. We can make use of this concept to understand how the current carrying conductor, when turned with more than one turns, what can happen to the magnetic field line, whether it will increase or it will decrease, and also that if the magnetic field lines are more, that means the strength of magnetic field is more. So that means the strength of magnetic field is proportional to the number of magnetic field lines around the conductor. We shall see how this is done in a circular coil of wire in the next video.